What's up? What's up? Got another guitar lesson for you today. Today we're going to be playing I hate it when it's like a challenge. Okay, so the way that this song is structured is actually like a intro, verse, a chorus. Then we're going to play the intro, the verse, and the chorus. And then we're going to play the chorus. Okay, so the four chords we're going to play is going to be an A minor 7th chord, which you take your A minor and you remove your ring finger. And you've got an A minor 7. Okay, after that we're going to play a G chord. We're going to leave our ring finger and pinky finger on the bottom 2 strings. We're going to hit our top string for our G. We're going to leave those 2 bottom fingers down there. We're going to play our E minor for our E minor 7th chord, followed by our D major, and it's going to sound like this. Yeah, look what God gave her, how perfect He made her. Walks in a room, it's like she answered my prayers. The way that she moves, how could anybody blame her? I know she's got haters, but it ain't her fault. Yeah, look what God gave her. And it's very critical that we know all the parts of the song, because we're only going to play the same 4 chords for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. By the way, if you haven't had these, they're delicious. Okay, so for our lead for this, you're basically going to be on your A string, your D string, and your G string, and you're going to play the 7th fret, the 9th fret, and the 10th fret. And all you're going to do is you're going to start off on your G string, on your 7th fret, and you're going to slide to 9, back to 7. You're going to go up a string to 9 on the D string, back to 7. You're going to go up another string to the A string on 10. And then you're going to go back down to your D string, 7th fret, and you're going to slide to 9. You're going to go down to your G string, 7th fret, back to the D string, to 9, and then back to 7 on the D string. That's pretty much full speed. Yeah, look what God gave her, how perfect He made her. Walks in a room, it's like she answered my prayers. The way that she moves, how could anybody blame her? I know she's got haters, but it ain't her fault. Yeah, look what God gave her.